Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel cake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare two 9-inch round cake pans. Combine 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a bowl. In another bowl, cream 1 cup of unsalted butter with 5 cups of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. This creates a wonderful foundation for your cake. Once your batter is ready, divide it evenly between the two prepared 9-inch cake pans. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in their pans for 10 minutes, then carefully invert them onto a wire rack. It's crucial they cool completely before you even think about frosting. Now for the star of the show, the rich caramel frosting. In a saucepan, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Stir in 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and let it cook for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Then, whisk in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add 5 cups of powdered sugar, beating until the frosting is smooth and wonderfully thick. This will be absolutely delicious. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place 1 cooled cake layer on your serving plate or stand. Spread a generous amount of that luscious caramel frosting evenly over the top. Then, carefully place the second cake layer on top and frost the entire cake, including the sides. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Garnish with a drizzle of extra caramel or a sprinkle of sea salt if you like. Enjoy your incredible homemade caramel cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.